not even a few months ago, I made a video talking about the best link in bio. There is always going to be new tools, software. I definitely don't want you to overwhelm yourself, but I'm going to be talking about my top 3 link in bios that I think that you should pick. Don't go into the rabbit hole of trying to do crazy amounts of procrastination. Just pick one, stick to it, and test it out. See which one works for you. Have you ever been to Cheesecake Factory and there is about 479 items? End up getting the same thing that you always know that you're going to like. It's too overwhelming. Way too many options. In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A specialize in one thing. They give you a few options. It's simple. That's how I want you to think about your link in bio. At the end of the day, you want people to come into your funnel and get something from them, whether that's their email, obviously a purchase, or to book a call. You want to put your affiliate links in your store. But at the end of the day, what is the main point of you having the link? Let me show you the top 3. We have to have less options on our link in bio. I remember back in 2017, I would say, don't use Linktree. Though times are changing and we definitely want better options, I'm going to give you my top 3 you should be using. The very first one is your Stan Store. The best thing about Stan Store, let me show you, that it has different things all in one. So it is $29 a month. You get a 14-day trial. No, this is not a sponsored video. I looked, I'm not an affiliate. It's all good, but it's super cool because you can check out, book your calls that you need to do. You are getting a lot for one. Let me show you my friends. This is Chelsea, and this is pretty much what it looks like for her. So for example, right here, if a brand is looking to collaborate with her, when they go to Media Kit, it takes you straight to her Media Kit. If you want to grab her travel guide, you grab a copy of her travel guide right in the app. It's super cool, and it just helps you take less steps as a consumer. That's the very first one. The second one that I absolutely love is BioSite. So this is actually the app that I use to edit my flyers when I'm promoting my product. This is exactly what I use, or when I do shout outs on my stories. Now, on the bottom, there's something called BioSite, and it looks something like this. This is one that I recently had, and I love that you can customize it. I have all my socials here. You can send me an email. You can go to my program if you want to buy that. Super simple. You can do a lot of the things in Stan Store here. I made an example here, free consult, you book a call, and it takes you straight to that link where you can book. This is something that I love if you want something aesthetic, if you don't have a website. You can also embed a video. This is obviously one of my YouTube videos. You can download the Unfold app and you will have it right on the bottom. Now, my favorite, and this is one that I'm going to stand by no matter what, it's Convertkit. I do believe that you need to build your email list, and you'd never know what can happen to your social media. You can get hacked tomorrow and none of those followers will know literally what it is that you're up to. You will lose all of your leads. Getting people's email is the best thing that you can possibly do. You can get it for free. I have a link for you. Okay, here's the difference. Let's go to preview. So if you're on your phone, it's going to look something like this. What I love about this is that it's super automatic. So if you go here on 5 days of content, automatically brings it up. So it's less work. You don't have to go to an external site or anything like that. You put in your information and you will get that free PDF in your email. I'm taking you to my YouTube channel, and here I'm taking you to my program you can purchase. It takes you to a thank you page. And here you can upsell them. Here, they already gave you their information. So they're in a mood, like they are ready. So you have the opportunity to tell them like, okay, go check your email. But if you want more information or if you want to actually purchase this, take a look here. I know that I literally have my PJs on because this was important. I had to tell you this. So let me know in the comments, which one do you like? Which one do you prefer? Or if you're ready to get started with one of the ones that I mentioned above. I will see you in the next video.